Peace and blessings, everybody. This is DaPhunkeeProfessor, Professor, and it's election day, and I voted, and this time it wasn't even voting for the lesser of two evils. It was voting for the more tolerable of two evils. But beyond that, no, interesting thing just happened in the store, and it happens all the time. Somebody saw my locks and was like, oh, nice locks, and then, but this time, what I like is there was respect. Is it okay if I touch one? And, you know, that's respectful, because you do have people who are just like, ooh, locks, and want to just come up and try to touch your hair, you know, realize it's a violation of space. And the thing about locks is locks absorb energy, and locks carry energy. So if you want to touch somebody's locks and take on whatever energy might be in there, you know, that's completely and totally up to you. And, you know, so this woman want to take on whatever energy was carrying in that particular lock she touched. You know, if she wants to take on that energy, you know, good for her. But I do remember one time years back, I was, you know, long time ago, my first time with locks. It was actually my second go round. But my first time with locks, I remember working in a TV station, and this woman comes up to me and just says, oh, why locked? Oh, and just comes up and says, oh, I just have to, and comes and touches my hair. So I figured, all right, fine. So I actually then turned around and did the exact same thing to her, a blonde woman. So I went and just started feeling her hair also. And of course, she was taken aback, like, you know, what am I doing? And I said, I thought this was some kind of strange greeting. And of course, you know, the other benefit was I had just finished eating Cool Ranch Doritos. So, you know, I basically just cleaned my hands in the old girl's hair. But, you know, all of this to say that respect. This is a thing about you have to respect. You know, people are not objects. The things that are interesting about people, unique about people, whatever, you know, that's fine. But treat that interaction with respect. That's basically what I was going to say. Peace.